Venns and Sets Quiz 3. When I've finished reading these instructions, pause the video and get yourself set up ready to take the quiz. There are no calculators allowed with this quiz, so put them away. You will only need a pen or a pencil to take the quiz. Hand out the answer sheets after you've paused the video. Students will need one sheet each. When you get your sheet, write your name at the top of it. The quiz must be taken in silence. Do not communicate with other students and stay in silence until your teacher tells you can talk. You will get 1 minute per question, and there are 4 questions in the quiz. After the quiz, your teacher will collect in your answer sheet, and then you will be given the answers and also some feedback so you can learn from it. Pause the video now, get the class set up, ready to take the quiz, and when you're silent, press play to start. Question 1. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets E and F. List all the elements of E intersection F between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Question 2. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets E, F, and G. List all the elements of F union G between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Question 3. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets E, F, and G. List all the elements of F intersection G intersection E between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Question 4. The Venn diagram shows the elements of sets E, F, G, and H. List all the elements of H union E union G between the brackets. You have 1 minute to answer this question. Now think about this question. If you took a test like this one on this topic in 30 days' time, how many questions out of 4 do you think you would get correct? Write 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 in the box at the bottom left-hand side of your answer sheet. Students, please remain in silence until all the answer sheets are collected in. Teachers, as you collect in the answer sheets, can you please check that every student has written their name on the top? Also, can you please check that every student has written a single number 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4 in the prediction box at the bottom of the page. Pause the video now, collect in the answer sheets, then press play to give students the answers and feedback. Okay, now let's have a look at the answers to the 4 questions so you can see how you did and also so you can learn from your mistakes and do even better next time. Question 1, feedback. This question asked for the elements in E intersection F. This is all the elements that are in both sets E and in F, as shown by the shaded area here. In this case, this was just the element B. Question 2, feedback. This question asked for the elements in F union G. This is all the elements in sets F and G combined, as shown by the shaded area in this diagram. In this case, the answer was A, D, E, P, V, and W. Question 3, feedback. This question asked for the elements in F intersection G intersection E. This is all the elements that are in both sets F and G and in set E. In this case, that was the elements S and T as shown by the shaded area in this diagram. Finally, question 4, feedback. This question asked for the elements in H union E union G. This is all the elements that are in sets H or E or in set G. In this case, it was the letters E, H, N, U, X, Y, and Z as shown by the shaded area in this diagram.